Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to start Siman Reish Ayin Dalet. We talk about B'tzia Sapat. You know, every Shabbos we do the Lechem Mishnah. As it says, Liktu Lechem Mishnah. We have two breads. We have to know, do we have to cut the two breads? Or it's enough we do one? Which one, even though we do a mark in it, we do the top one or the bottom one? So it's a machlokes the Mechaber and the RAMA. You know, the practical what happened? A person doesn't feel how much bread I can eat. What happens then? I still have to cut it. What is going to go waste? So let's start the halacha. Botzea al shnei kikarot shlimot. You actually have to cut what? Two full bread. Shochez shtem biyado ubotzea tachtona. He picks up the two breads. And what it says in the Mechaber holds you always cut the bottom one. The day and the night, you always cut the bottom one. Haga, v'dafka belel Shabbat. According to the Ashkenaz, the RAMA, only at night you do the bottom one. That's a Kabbalah. אבל ביום השבוס או בליל יום טוב בוצע על העליונה. That's in the Kol Bo, and he says, והתאמו על פי הקבלה. That's על פי הקבלה. In the night, and say, okay. According to the Mechaber, first we have to say that what? That you do cut, you have to have two full bread. It's like Lechem Mishnah. And also the woman is also obligated because they're also part of the miracle that took place in the man. Yom Tov is the same thing, you have to have two breads to do the same thing. And even more than that, it says in the Mishnah Brurah, even what happens if he doesn't have Pas Yisrael? So even on Pas Akum, also you're allowed to eat from it. Yeah? But obviously we're talking about when it's kosher, not when it's not kosher. Yeah. Now he's going to talk what happened if you have a piece of bread that it's burned. The Mishnah Brurah brings, yeah, what happened, part of it is burned. So is that considered already cut because you're not going to eat it or not? Or is that considered completed? Yeah? So for sure, if that's the only bread that you have, so for sure you should use it as no shiloh. And what happens if you have a piece that got cut, you could connect it together. So again, so we have the machlokes, the Mechaber and the RAMA. How you do it. So according to the Mechaber, the way you do it, at the night and the day, you always what? You always do the cut the second one, the bottom one. And in order to be not over on the mitzvah, so the Taz says, some people say you hold both of them, and you put in the top, the mark in the top, and then you turn it over, so you're not over on the mitzvahs. Or you actually, the bottom one, you stick it out, so it's like not over on the mitzvahs. But according to the RAMA, at night you do the bottom one, and in the day you do the top one. Now, what is the custom is, so according to the Groen, the Shla Kodesh, we do two breads. You cut actually the two breads. Yeah? And if you can do that, yeah, but the Mishnah Brurah says the oilam is like the Mechaber, that you only cut one bread. That's what the Mishnah Brurah says. But for sure it's better to do two breads. And if you have too much, you don't want to waste too much bread, you get one regular chal, one a small one. Like this, you do two of them, it's no problem. And when you're actually cutting the bread, before the bracha, if it has to be after the bracha, even the whole year, every day in the week, you cut part of it before you do the bracha. Why? Because you want to make sure when you finish the bracha, you should go over l'asiyosam right away. So it shouldn't be a hefsek with the bracha. But in Shabbos, that it's different because what has to be lechem mishnah, has to be two breads. You have to do two breads. That's why the way you do it is you just make a mark, and then you cut, then when it comes to finish the bracha, when you finish it well, then you cut the piece. Because since one guy leads and he serves for everyone, that's why you should say birshus morai v'rabotai. Sometimes we have machlokes. If you do say it or don't say it, birshus that according to the hefsek, it's part of the blessing. Anyhow, the next halacha base, mitzvah livtzua b'Shabbat prusa gdola. שתספיק לו לאכול הסעודה. And it doesn't look like, for the meal, it does a big piece. It doesn't look like his Rav Tan is like a Baltai, because you know, the week you don't do that. Why do it in Shabbos? Because of course Shabbos, you want to show the Rachmus respect you with the king. Halachi Gimel, En hamisubim רשאים לטום עד שיטום הבוצע. ואם יש לפני כל אחד לחם משנה, יכולים לטום אף על פי שמה שעדיין לא טעם כלום. So, when you start to eat, so really, if everybody has in front of him lechem mishneh, so then you don't. The leader, the house, the leader, he makes the blessing, and then you can taste your own. But if you actually is only one lechem mishneh, only one set, so then you cannot eat, even though you got a piece before. You cannot eat till the guy that actually made the bracha, till he actually eats first, and then everybody eats after. The last halacha dalet, suda zu v'shel shachis ifshal aslam b'loi pat. The night meal and the morning meal, you can do it only with the bread. Even though we learned that the Shulchan Gebrim says you can do it with fruit in the day, but for sure lechatchila, that's only b'diavad when you can't eat, and this you can do it in fruit. But if lechatchila, the regular person, for sure, even though there's the makel, yeah, suda shlishis, third meal that you could do for sure in fruit, but first and two meal, you should try to have bread. The Shulchan Gebrim says, what happens if you not feel good or you're sick, some people cannot eat bread, then for sure not at the night not, but in the day, he said that what you could do on fruit. I want to wish everyone a good day today.